Samsung has released our second update for the S24 Ultra. This brings us the March 1st, 2024 security patch. So let's take a look at what we get. Okay, so the update has finished installing and the phone is booting back up. It's doing the optimization of all the apps. So once this boots up, we'll go ahead and take a look at what is listed. Okay, so we've got, we're on the home screen. So if you have never updated your phone before, very easy to do. You can just go ahead and swipe down, select the gear or the settings icon, scroll down until you find the software update. You can go ahead and select that, and then you'll select download and install. Now I just downloaded, so if I go ahead and click on this, I'm in airplane mode. So once you click on that, it will go out and get the update. So this is the release notes for the update for March 13th. So we've got the security patch we talked about. It has device stability improvements and bug fixes. It says new and or enhanced features. So we'll have to take a look and see what that is. Further improvements to performance. And then it says get the best from your device. Please keep your device up to date. Software update. Down here in the update information, we can see we're on One UI version 6.1. This particular version ends in AXBG. It is a 420 megabyte download, and it does feature March 1st security patch. Okay, so that's all we have listed there. What we can do is you can actually go to About Phone, and we can go to Software Information, scroll all the way down, and we'll select Android Security Patch Level. That brings us to the Android Security Bulletin page. We can then go ahead and scroll down, select Read, and then select your model of phone. So we're going to select Samsung. And then this is going to show us what comes in the security patch. So if we scroll down here for March 2024, we can see that there is a critical security patch. It looks like there's two of those. Quite a bit of high patches here, no moderate. If we scroll further down, you can see these are the ones that were included in the previous update. And then these are non-Samsung applicable updates. Usually these are Google updates. So you can take a look here and you can read through if you like to see what each one is. This particular critical one is incorrect default permission in the app lock. Another one is for Stack Overflow and bootloader. Here's some more information. So feel free to take a look at this, but this is where you can actually see what comes with that update that we receive from Samsung. So we'll go ahead and scroll back here, and let's just go ahead and take a look. If we scroll and go back into our settings, go back to update, let's just take a look one more time here. So it says new and or enhanced features, but there's nothing listed. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this little Samsung mobile here, see if anything's updated here. So normally you'll see what is being provided. This is just the security patch, it looks like. If we look at the previous one, we can see where I was talking about the add the vividness option. There's the camera optimization, stability and reliability, and security improvement as well. So how many of you picked up the S24 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. If you're not using a Samsung device, what device are you using and why? If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give us a like. Consider subscribing to the channel so that way you don't miss any of our new updates when they are released. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.